Okay, in this video I'll be teaching you guys how to get started with coding. So to get started with coding on Android phone, you need to download this app that says TrepEdit. This app, this is the app I'll be using to start coding on this video. So what you need to do is to open the app. So now that the app has been opened, so we'll have to click on the menu button down there, the menu button, and you can see that there's a place you see workspace. You click on workspace. Okay, now this is it here. So now these are my workspace. This is my workspace here. So you can see this plus button below. We are going to click on it and then click on new folder. Click on new folder, new project, sorry. So what you need to do, like, you can add anything here. So what I'm going to add is tutorial. So we have to click on the project, the new project we created. This, we have to click on it. So we'll click on it and then click on the plus button down. We'll click on the plus button down here. So this time around we are creating new file. We are no more creating new project. It's new file we are creating. So we'll click on new file. So now we are creating, you click on index.html. Okay, yeah, this is it here. We just created our HTML file. So we open this, we open the file we created. We are going to open it now. So you click on it here. Ta-da! This, we are done creating the file. So I'll see you in the next video and I'll explain more on how HTML work and more on coding. So see you in the next video.